Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for social media marketing. ChatGPT can be a useful tool for social media by helping you generate engaging content and improving your interactions with customers. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT for social media marketing. First is generate content ideas. ChatGPT can help you generate new ideas and creative content ideas for your social media channels. You can put topics related to your business or industry and use the generated text to inspire new post ideas. Next is create social media posts. ChatGPT can help you create social media posts that are engaging and relevant to your target audience. You can input a prompt or a question and ChatGPT will generate a response that you can use as a post. Improve customer interactions. ChatGPT can help you improve your interactions with customers on social media. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate personalized responses to common customer inquiries and complaints. Automate responses. ChatGPT can use to automate responses to common customer inquiries or complaints on social media. By training ChatGPT on a dataset of past customer interactions, you can create a chatbot that can handle basic customer inquiries and free up your team's time to handle more complex issues. Analyze social media sentiment. ChatGPT can help you analyze social media sentiment by training it on a dataset of customer reviews or comments. You can use this information to improve your products or services and better understand your customers' need. When using ChatGPT for social media marketing, it's important to keep in mind that it should be used as a tool to supplement your existing marketing strategy rather than a replacement. ChatGPT generated content should be reviewed and edited by human before publishing to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and messaging. Additionally, it's important to consider ethical considerations when using AI in marketing, such as transparency and privacy. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!